Your 20s decide the rest of your life, but most people are wasting them, scrolling, partying, waiting for the right time. The truth, every single day you waste right now, you'll regret for the rest of your life. Number 1, reality check. Nobody told you this, but your 20s are not for wasting time, they're for building. While you're busy avoiding discomfort, someone else is building skills, networks, and habits that will make them unstoppable by 30. And you'll be stuck, wondering where it all went wrong. Number 2, the comfort trap. Comfort is the most dangerous drug in your 20s. Netflix, video games, endless scrolling. They give you short-term happiness, but steal your long-term future. Every time you choose comfort, you're silently choosing regret. Number 3, the power of habits. Here's the truth. Your habits today are writing the story of your tomorrow. You don't need to be the smartest, richest, or most talented. You just need the discipline to build habits that compound over time. 1 book a month, 1 skill every year, 1 workout every day. Do this for 5 years, and you'll be unrecognizable. Number 4, why most people fail. The reason most people fail isn't lack of talent. It's lack of patience. They want results in weeks. When they don't see progress, they quit. But success is boring. It's doing the same thing every day for years when nobody's clapping for you. Listen, your 20s will pass faster than you think. One day you'll wake up and wish you had started earlier. So stop wasting time. Stop waiting for motivation. Start building, because the choices you make right now will decide whether your 30s are filled with regret or respect.